Hey, just turned 18 and want a credit card? Don't worry. Here are the top 5 best credit cards you can buy as a beginner. First one card, the best one for starters. This one comes with no joining fee, no annual fee, and it's app-based. You get full control. Block, unlock, or set limits directly from the app. Second, the Slice card for easy EMI and cashback. It acts like a pay later card. Get instant approval, app KYC, and split payments into 3-month zero-interest EMIs. Great for students and freelancers. Third, IDFC First Millennia. Best for the employees to MNCs. This one also comes with no joining or annual fee. Gets easy approval for salaried or even part-time earners with low income. Next, Amazon Pay ICC credit card. The beast for shopping online on Amazon and Flipkart. Get 5% cashback on Prime, 3% on non-Prime, and 1% everywhere else, and no annual fee ever. Also, the approval is easy if you already have an Amazon account and do regular shopping. Lastly, 5+ Access Bank Card. The game changer for the students and early grads, zero joining fee, UPI support, and instant cashback offers. Great for students or interns with minimal income proof. Drop a comment if you want a video on how to use these cards wisely. And don't forget to like, sub, and share it with someone who may need it.